Description: strengthen fragile, weak hair with this protective and ultra-nourishing cleanser. Benefits: dermatologist-tested. Formulated without parabens, sulfates or sodium chloride. Color and keratin treatment safe. Suggested use: lather, indulge, rinse. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. This is the only shampoo, conditioner that repaired my hair. Not sure about the other reviewers' experience, but I have bought this twice now and no regrets. My hair is healthier, and the shine is really impressive. I don't have to add any products to my hair after using this. Simply love it. Works well. Works really good for blonde curly hair.